Yes! Woo! I've been waiting for this. Yes! That was a lot harder to get in this room than I thought it was going to be. Alright, I guess first up, I gotta clean the kayak off a little bit. I already wiped it down a good bit. It says I have to use ammonia-based window cleaner, preferred, and acetone. Be right back. I got him. Thank you. Skipping to step 2. I gotta remove the old pads right here. Let's see if I could just... wonder if I could just grab them. Oh, yeah, there we go. What are you doing? There we go. There's one. There's 2. There she is. Alright, so I just kind of wiped off the surface real good. Now I'm going to lay it out, see how it looks. Hey, messed me up. Alright, just finished laying out all the pieces. Now I just gotta stick them on. So I kind of just eyeballed the last one, and you really probably shouldn't do that. So I'm going to try to do it the right way this time. I don't think you're supposed to do that either. Alright, last piece. Someone's getting tired. Why I got this kit? 1, I think it looks good. 2, I am standing most of the time. I just wanted something comfortable to stand on and help with the noise reduction, that whole gist. But really, I just like the way it looked. I think it looks freaking awesome. This is what happens when Dad's on kid duty. You got elves in February. I just got done cleaning up a little bit in here. Crew's down for a nap. I wanted to talk a little bit about how I got this kit and the steps I had to go through in order to order it. The HD kit online was not the one that I wanted. It was not the one I seen pictures of that I really liked. So I got in contact with SeaDek. I said, hey, I sent them the pictures of the ones I wanted. I said, I want this one. How do I make that happen? They sent me a manufacturer number and some blueprints and said, is this the correct one? And it was. So I said, yes, I want that one, but blue and white. Some of the other options is you can either get it embossed, kind of texture to it. It's like the bubbles. And they have something called brushed. And that's more what I got. It's like a smoother kind of surface. Overall, it was a pretty painless process. The kit was kind of expensive. And honestly, that's what kept me back and forth on it for a while. I actually ended up winning a $250 American Express gift card out of one of them stacker games at the mall. And so once I won that, I'm like, you know what, I'm putting that towards it, and I'm just gonna get it. And you know, now that I got it, I'm really pumped up about it. I love it. I think it looks awesome. It just really makes the kayak pop and just makes it a little bit more unique than some of the other ones out there. Alright, cool. So that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye. Oh.